Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Pharma. I give daily job updates as well as career guidance, interview tips. If you have come first time in our channel, please subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to share two job notification for every graduates like BCom, BE, BTech as well as BSc, MCA, BCA. All those candidates are eligible. Fast job notification for the company Genser Technologies 2020 and 21 pass out freshers hiring drive. It is going on and the role is software engineer. CTC will be 4 lakh per annum. Their students hiring for the junior software engineer role. Mainly the working location based on Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata or any client location in India. So skills mainly eligibility criteria is BE BTech in CSIT or MCA pass out of 2020, 20 and 21 batch are eligible. Applicant must score 60% marks in 10th, 12th and graduation or post graduation, and they service their 24 cross 7 model. So you need to work in flexible time zone, open to work across the diverse technology platform. So basically the selection process will be online assessment will happen, test will happen followed by technical round and HR interview round. Selected candidate are expected to join their firm within on 1st December or 15th December. So these two slots will be their joining slot. So it's a very early process, I will say. So if you are still interested in this job notification, try to apply as soon as possible because there is not too much time in your hands. So I will say register now and apply for it. CTC is very good, 4 lakh per annum. So Gensat is a very good IT company. So you have to do your sign up if you are a new candidate. So if you are already a registered candidate of their website, you can simply log in there. So in sign up, you have to give your first name, last name, email ID, and after creation of your account, you have to submit your resume and educational details and professional details, so those things. Okay, so now for the next job notification I'm going to discuss, which is come from Dassault Systems. It is for the BE Tech, ME Tech as well as BCom, BBA, MCom, MBA. All these branches, lots of branches are eligible for this post. So it's a very central placement occurring across all over the branches. It happening for the Pune location. So uh, I'm now discussing about the job notification. Like there are few different roles for the different graduate candidates. So first of all, this placement will happen through the Pimpri Chinchwad College of Engineering, Pune. So it gives uh, off-campus mode of environment in on-campus mode. Okay, so BBTech, MEM Tech in CSIT Mechanical Civil are eligible. BCom, BBA, MCom, MBA of 2020, 20 and 21 batch are eligible. Please note these batches and don't comment in the comment box like which branch are eligible and which batches are eligible. Please listen carefully. And important instruction they have shared, like you have to give the online test that will conducted for the shortlisted student by the virtual mode, which will happen in 19th of November 4 p.m. It can happen. Another way is the selection by through the CV selection. The interview will happen in both mode, physical or virtual mode. So those students who are in Pune, those can visit the campus. Otherwise, you can take the exam virtually. So online test shortlisted students will get the mail of selection. So basically three job role they are having: developer for the BB Tech, MEM Tech, functional and QA support is for the BBA, MBA or those staffs, and analyst also for the BCom, BBA, those candidates. So 60% marks required with no gaps. And for the developer, CTC for the BE Tech will be 7.5 and MEM Tech is 8.58. 18 months bond is there. BE Tech, MEM Tech 2020, 20 and 21 pass out, only computer science, information technology with 60% are eligible, should be trained on Java and C++, and flexible to work any development or test automation role. For QA and support also, BE Tech are eligible. Their CTC will be 5.5 LPA and for MEM Tech 6.5 LPA. 18 months bonds also there, 2021 2020 pass outs are eligible from mechanical civil branches with 60% academics marks. Uh, and for the analyst role, BCom, BBA eligible, their CTC will be 5.5, MCom, MBA CTC will be 6.5, and 18 months bond will be there. So no gaps, and 2020, 20 or 21 pass out. So process will be online test happen, and it is applicable for the position 1 and position 2, that is the QA test automation, and for the developer role. And then general intelligence test will happen, which consists of logical questions. Technical aptitude round will happen where maths related question will come, and technical interview, then nature interview. So 19th of November invites will be sent to the screen shortlisted candidates, and date of interview will be communicated. So you have to fill this Google form as early as possible before 12 p.m. today. So you will get the list if you are shortlisted. Okay. So hurry up, guys, apply for it. All the best. If you really like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like us, like our content, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.